the short. It's like your long, middle, and short. Long, middle, and short. Okay, this is we do the largo media corto. Now you have to feel. Now we do some techniques, but I want you to do the exact from here. Black. You have to feel. Look, I'm already here. Okay, from here you already like grab, cut. When you cut, sometimes you attack again. Attack. You block inside, not outside. Block inside. Now you have to open. See? From here, you have the break. You have the choke or strike. And you have the knee. Okay, again. Okay, now we do the right away the techniques. Because in reality, this is already techniques. This is already techniques. This is already techniques. Finish. But here we go in. In reality, this is bam. This is pull. Push and pull. Don't go with him. He will go to you. He will go to you. Okay? If you like this one to break, if you want to this one to break, or okay? Come on, timing. Relax. Play. You have to play. You have to feel first. You have to feel anything. Don't right away look at the techniques. No. Because techniques will come. Techniques will go with you right away. Because you know right away to go in. You go in, shock, block, strike, block again. Now you have to open. Pull this one, push this one. But don't, attention there. This is very dangerous. Go there, open. You see? Now, you break here. You do this one. And pull down. Bam. Now it's up to you. Okay? Timing. Relax. Play. Later, you go in with him. 1, 2, cut, block, push, boom, boom. Okay? Come on.